Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the video for the Viofo A139 triple channel dash cam, and we'll start with the unboxing. There's the hardware kit, which we will unbox later. First, let's open up the main box and see what we have inside. Okay, this is the actual, so this is the main piece of equipment. We have the front-facing camera with plastic covering over the lens. We also have a 3M sticker here. All right, go into right over there. We have an AV and mic port. We have the mounting. I don't know what that is, but I think it's a mounting port. And then we have the rear and the internal camera connections and the USB-C power. Very nice. Going on to the back, we have the logo over here, Quad HD, power button, recording button. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing that's a I crashed, let's record some stuff button. And then we have microphone and Wi-Fi and indicator lights for each of the four things, recording, mic, GPS, and Wi-Fi as well. And this, of course, is rotatable, but I don't want to do it just yet, not before I read the manual. All right, what else do we have in here? We have some mounting stickers, mounting adapters. We have a USB-C cable. What else? What's in here? All right, so this is the, I can't tell if that's the rear or the internal or if they're interchangeable. That's a video out right there. And I don't know what that is. So, okay, can put that back in here and then we'll test it out. And here we have another one. They could be identical. I don't know if they are. Again, there's plastic covering the camera and the sticker for sticking it on. Actually, this might be internal because I know that the internal camera has lights on it. Yeah, okay. So the internal camera has these infrared lights so that you can kind of see what's going on in the car. The outside one does not. So this is internal. This one right here. This one is rear facing. All right, I'm going to put these in the plastic bags and we'll keep going. There's actually not a ton of accessories in here, but what is this? Lens cap. This is a lens cap. And we have cables. This is the cable for the internal camera, cable for the rear view camera. And here we have, what is this? More cables, I'm guessing? I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That is the power cable for, that goes into the cigarette lighter. I kind of wish there was another one that kind of didn't go in a cigarette lighter, but hey, what can you say? All right, going back in the bag. And let's see what we have. Last one is the manual, or second last one is the manual, which I'll read later. And I don't know what this is. Stickers, maybe? Can't tell. Stickers, yeah. And then we have a plastic trim removal tool as well. And that's everything that is in the main box. And here we have the hardware kit for the dash cam. And inside we have, yeah, that's basically it. That's the only thing that's inside, where we have user manual for this, and then we have first the USB-C power connector and the various connectors to your fuse kits that you're going to use. All right, with all that being said, let's set this up. Last thing to note as well is you can actually buy SD cards from them. This is a Viofo branded SD card, 64 gigabytes, or you can just use your own. That works as well. All right, let's go. Hello all, quick disclaimer, I won't be able to review this product fairly just because my vehicle did not have a spot to place the rear camera, so I only installed the front facing and the interior camera. So I'll describe my experience with it and you can make the final decision yourself. So the front facing camera is decent quality. It's not super amazing, it's definitely not good enough to make out, license plates once you are 5 meters away, or 5 meters, 17 feet. But that being said, it's nice that your speed, direction, and the date and time are all watermarked in the video. Just make sure that when you get it, before you actually start driving, make sure the time gets synced on the camera via the app, because before you do anything, because these dates are all wrong. Obviously, you can see that's not September the 10th, so good thing I did not get into a crash. The interior camera is actually decent. It does have a little bit of over brightness in the day, but otherwise it does its job. I have it currently upside down. I didn't even realize it was upside down until I downloaded the video. There is an option in the app to flip it right side up, so the video and the watermark are not upside down. The final thing is the microphone. It's not bad at all, actually. I have a Jeep Wrangler, which has the loudest cabin noise of any car I've ever been in, so the fact that it can hear me talk is quite impressive. And it does not distort as well, because here you can hear me singing, and I'm singing really, really loud.
Like a comet pulls from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream of the boulder.
So yeah, that was a quick overview of the Viofo A139. I was not able to install the rear-facing camera, so I won't be able to properly review this device completely, but from what I've seen of the rest, it's not a bad device. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.